Our objectives for this lesson, Basic Food and Nutrition, are the following. First, to define basic nutrition concepts such as nutrition, health, wellness, and nutrients and principles. Second, to identify the basic guidelines in promoting good nutrition. And third, to discuss the principles of moderation, balance, and variety in the food guide pyramid. Nutrition is the process by which food is converted by the body into simple substances needed to build and repair tissues, supply energy for physical activity, and to support various body functions such as respiration, digestion, and elimination. Adequate nutrition is essential for good health. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease and infirmity, according to the World Health Organization in 1947. A more recent definition states that health is the dynamic, ever-changing process of achieving potential in the physical, social, emotional, mental, spiritual, and environmental dimensions. Wellness involves the satisfaction of a wide array of factors that lead to positive health. It is defined as the achievement of the highest level of health possible in each of several dimensions. To achieve high-level wellness, a person needs to move progressively on a continuum of positive health indicators. Food refers to any edible material which, when taken into the body, can provide nutrients needed to support the various body functions. Nutrients are chemical substances derived from food which the body uses to build and repair tissues, generate energy, and regulate body processes. Food provides two different and distinct groups of nutrients. First, the macronutrients. Macro means big. Macronutrients are nutrients which the body needs in amounts of 1 gram or more per day and include protein, fat, carbohydrate, and water. Second, micronutrients. Micro means small. Micronutrients are nutrients which the body needs in smaller amounts, less than 1 gram, and include vitamins and minerals. Calorie is the amount of heat produced or released when food is burned by the body cells. Calorie also refers to the amount of energy required to do work or to perform certain physical activities. Fuel or energy values of foods. Energy is the ability to do work and is measured in terms of calories. Foods containing carbohydrate, protein, and fat provide the body with energy. A gram of either carbohydrate or protein gives approximately 4 calories, whereas a gram of fat yields 9 calories. Fat is concentrated source of energy. How does one know what and how much food to eat? A helpful tool in choosing the foods and the amounts needed for a healthy diet is the food guide pyramid. The food guide pyramid is a simple graphic presentation of foods grouped according to nutrient contribution. The food guide pyramid was developed to help individuals select a well-balanced diet to promote good health. It shows the 5 food groups arranged in a pyramid. The pyramidal shape indicates the relative amounts or proportions of each food group that should be eaten every day. Foods at the base should be eaten most of, and those at the tip should be eaten the least. Foods at the middle levels should be eaten in moderation. At the base of the pyramid are carbohydrate-rich foods such as rice and other cereals, bread, and root crops. These foods provide the bulk of the Filipino diet. Vegetables and fruits provide not only vitamins and minerals, but also fiber and should be eaten more of. Meat, fish, poultry, and dairy products provide good quality protein, but are also sources of fat and therefore should be eaten in moderation. Sugar and fat, which provide calories mainly, are recommended to be eaten the least. The pyramid also points to exercise, personal and environmental hygiene as essential for the child's health and suggests for physical activity to substitute television watching or playing computer games. The food guide pyramid shows how the principles of variety, moderation, and balance can be applied in the selection of and consumption of foods. The Nutritional Guidelines for Filipinos is a set of 10 messages of simple recommendations that give advice about proper diet and wholesome practices to promote good health for each individual and family members. The Nutritional Guidelines for Filipinos was developed in 2000 by the Technical Working Group on the Nutritional Guidelines for Filipinos, led by the Food and Nutrition Research Institute of the Department of Science and Technology. The Nutritional Guidelines for Filipinos messages were based on the nutritional status data of Filipinos and the current dietary habits and food patterns, taking into consideration the country's food availability and supply, as well as socioeconomic condition and cultural practices of the population. The following are the 10 recommended messages in the Nutritional Guidelines for Filipinos.